Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel. It's Ify Obi, and in this video we are going to be talking about how to grow your hair and maintain your hair in mini twists. A simple description of mini twist is the hairstyle I have on. I hope you understand by merely looking at my hair. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, hey new viewer, thank you for stopping by. Kindly subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and share my video if you enjoy watching it. Kindly go to my channel and watch my other videos and give me a thumbs up. It's going to be helpful. Thank you. Hey old subscribers and old viewers, thank you for coming back to my channel to watch this video. I really appreciate. We are going to be talking about how to maintain and grow your hair in mini twists. If you're a natural hair queen like me that have the hands in my hair habit or hands in my hair kind of disease, this is the best hairstyle you can ever think of. By hands in my hair disease, I mean you're always manipulating your hair, you're always touching your hair, you're always styling it, you're always doing blah blah blah, like always touching and disturbing your hair. If you have this kind of disease, this is your solution. You need to make mini twists. I'm going to be telling you how to maintain your mini twist that will help you to actually grow your hair and not just keeping your hair away from your hands. This mini twist is quite tedious. It has a lot more tips than that of cornrows. Why? Because your hair is in a lot of sections and you need to take care of your hair one after the other. The first tip we are going to be talking about today is always moisturize your twist with liquid, cream, and oil. I call this the LCO method. You can moisturize your twist by doing the LCO method. Liquid, you can make use of water. Cream, you can actually make use of your leave-in conditioner. I make use of my Cantu leave-in, or I make use of my Dark and Lovely. Any leave-in conditioner you feel works for you, and make sure water is its first ingredient. For oil, I make use of my black Castor Jamaican oil, or I make use of my wild growth oil. To moisturize your braids, do this LCO method so that your hair doesn't dry out. The second tip I'll be giving is always clump the ends of your twist with heavy shea butter or oil or your leave-in conditioner. I make use of Sunny Owl shea butter to clump the ends of my hair, because the ends of the hair actually dries faster than every other part of your hair. So you need to clump the ends of your hair so that it doesn't start to break and shed, because a very weak end actually affects hair growth. My third tip, always massage your scalp with oil every morning. Yeah, massaging your scalp is very important, so it will help to circulate the blood around your scalp, which will help your hair follicles and at last help your hair to grow and add more length. The oil I make use of is the Sunny Owl oil, or I make use of my wild growth oil. So when I wake up early in the morning, I just massage. After doing my LCO method, I just massage my scalp with my favorite oil. You can make use of almond oil, coconut oil, olive oil, any oil that works for you. As for me, I love castor oil because it makes my hair thicker. My number 4 tip, always pack your mini twists up when exercising or putting on a lacy outfit. It's important to pack your twists up when exercising so that the sweat from your body doesn't go to your hair and make your hair dirty easily. Even your hair could actually cause you to break out. You know, after applying the oil at the ends of your hair or your heavy shea butter, when you start to exercise and the oil keeps rubbing off on your body, your hair is getting dirty. At the same time, your skin is at risk. So to prevent acne and any acne, make sure you pack up your twist when exercising. When you're putting on a lace outfit, if your hair keeps brushing on the lacy outfit, it will keep pulling out your hair one after the other and you wouldn't even know. So you have to pack up your hair when doing these things. The fifth tip, do not pack up your mini twist too tightly. I know your hair is a mini twist, you want to style your hair in different ways, especially when you have a long hair, maybe longer than mine or the length of mine, and you want to keep changing styles. Make sure that you don't pack them too tightly, and make sure you do not use rubber bands, because rubber bands pull out your hair. So just make use of scrunchies or make use of Ouchless band like I have on my hair, as you can see. And number 6 tip, always sleep with your satin or silk pillowcase or bonnet or scarf. In all the tips I've given for how to grow your hair, for how I retain my edges, if you notice, satin bonnet is everywhere. That's because when you sleep on cotton pillowcases or on cotton beds, they are going to take out the oil you've applied on your hair. So even if you did the LCO method, you did the massaging, you did the hot oil treatment, blah blah blah, if you sleep on a cotton pillowcase or on a cotton bed without using your satin materials, then all those efforts are going to go to waste, and I don't think anyone wants to go through that stress. So get your satin bonnet. If you don't like bonnet, you can get pillowcases. If you don't like pillowcases, you can get scarf. You need to use any one of those. My 7th tip, always wash your mini twist every 3 to 4 weeks. It's very important because when you keep doing your LCO method and your massaging, and then you're going out and then dust is getting into your hair, you will need to wash your hair. The normal way you wash your hair, you just wash your twist like that, you condition and do every other necessary things to get rid of this build-up, because build-up can actually make the rate of your hair growth really slow. So you want to keep your hair very neat. The 8th tip, feel free to retwist whenever needed. You know, after twisting your hair, after some time, your hair starts to get rough because of the new growth that is coming under. And if you look at my hair, I have a new growth around here, so this part is already rough. So this is a perfect description of feel free to retwist when needed. Yeah. My number 9th tip, always make use of your scrunchies or Ouchless band to keep your twists stretched out before going to bed. My number 10th and last tip is drink water, exercise daily, and eat the right foods. Take at least 6 to 8 cups of water every day. But just like your hair needs water to be spritzed on it, it also needs water in another way, which is through your body. So make sure you take about 6 to 8 cups or glasses of water every day. It's very important. Hair growth is not all about massaging and using expensive products. It's also about your body, what you do, exercise, how you eat is very important. So by eating the right foods that you should include in your diet, if it's missing, include seeds, egg, spinach, fatty fish, nuts, mint, beans, soybeans. So guys, those are the 10 basic tips you should follow when you are on your twist in order to achieve extreme hair growth. Thank you so much for watching. Please kindly give me a thumbs up, kindly share, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.